Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone. Pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that you are all in the best of health and iman, inshallah rabbil alameen. So, we will start series of classes. Learn the Arabic to read the Holy Quran, inshallah rabbil alameen. So, here I am. We will start, inshallah, next class in many points. Number one, what are the Arabic letters? How do you pronounce them? Getting to know them. The meeting places, or what we call it makharij, in order to pronounce them. I will show you some pictures theoretically how to pronounce it, where they are coming from, and also practically. We will practice together, inshallah Rabbil Alameen. Also, how can we read them correctly, and what are the common mistakes that people usually do? And what are also the equivalent letters in order to make it close to your mind, to your pronunciation, regular sounds? What are the equivalent sound in English? And also, what are some ideas in order to get memorize them? Some students didn't memorize them yet. Alif, ba, ta, tha. What next? Inshallah, we will have some ideas in order to memorize them, inshallah Rabbil Alameen. So, if you're interested in this useful content, inshallah Rabbil Alameen, it will be useful. Please follow and share it to others. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala provide us all the good niyyah and accept our good deeds, inshallah Rabbil Alameen. See you then. Assalamu alaikum.